How to use Tidio tutorial for beginner. Hello everyone, I will show you how to use Tidio, one of the most popular AI powered live chat and chatbot tool for website in 2025. Whether you are running an online store or personal blog, Tidio can help you to automate customer support. He can boost engagement and convert more visitor into customers, all with just few clicks. Now we will go step by step through the Tidio dashboard, understand each feature, and by the end of this video, I will show you how to create a working chatbot, integrate Tidio with Shopify, and add chat widgets into your website. So if you are new, so if you don't know what is Tidio, so Tidio is basically a conversational AI platform that offers live chat, chatbots, ticketing, and automated response for a website. It is designed for small businesses, e-commerce stores, and entrepreneurs who wants to offer instant customer support without hiring a full support team. Now, let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is to come on this website, which is stereo.com, and then click on the start for free. And after that, they will give you two options to sign up. First, you can sign up with your email and you can sign up with your Facebook account as well. Now, I have already signed in. So after filling out the email, something will look like this. Now, what is my name? They will ask. I will give simple my name. Now, which department do you work in? I am in website development. Which tool or channel do you current use to connect with customer? I will use live chat, Zendex, enter.com, and others as well. Now, click on the next. What is your primary business model? Is I provide services to business or consumers. What is your company industry? It is automotive and aftermarket. How many customer conversation does your company handle a month? Is up to 200. Simply click on the next. How many visitor does your website attract each month? Is around this much. What platform powered your website? Is Shopify. How many customer support agent do you have in the current setup? Just me, or you can choose this one. So you have to give a proper answer to every question, then click on the next. Now, my main goal is for using Tidio is configure ticketing system, offer live chat, increase sales, or automate my support system with agents. Now, how would you like to interact with your customer, which is email? Click on the let's go. Now, it will take few seconds and here we go. Just simply click on the let's go. And once you are logged into Tidio, you will land on the main dashboard. Let's go through every section to know where everything is. This is a home page and this is a dashboard. In the left side, there we go. You will get to see there are some options. And if you click on it, you will get to see there is a option called dashboard. From here, you can, this is your main control center. You will see recent conversation, like live conversation, tickets. So you can simply control from here as well. If you go into live chat or inbox, this is a basically this is where you will chat with visitor in real time. You can reply to message and assign chats to team member and see user info like their location and the page they are on. You will also see the AI chatbot stepping in automatically when enabled, super helpful for reducing manual replies. Now, this is a simple overlay of that. If you go into, this is automation, or you can just simply call Lyro AI agent. This is section is lets you to build a chatbot and workflows. There are pre-made templates, and you can you can use that. You can customize them or build your own using drag and drop editor. No coding needed. Just simply click on the setup layer or AI agent, and it will start setuping. Now, if you go into flows, flows is basically this is show live chat visitor on your site. You will see info like how long they have been active and the strategy, sales, flaws, support, and welcome to flaws. whether they have interacted with your chatbot or not. It's useful for identify your hot leads. Let's go to customers. From here, you can you see every person who chats with you. You can uh, whoever chats with you becomes a contact here, and you will get full profile with the tags, conversation history, and their journey through your website. You can even create segment to target users with campaign. Now, if you see all contacts, it will appear over here. Subscriber, if someone subscribe to your website, or you can see that. Now, let's go to analytics. This is where you can manage your instruction, agent resolution rate, and leads acquired, human support, AI support, and leads as well. If you go to this bulb icon, this is where you can set up your Lero AI agent. You can activate AI to answer up to 70% of customer question without human intervention. Now you can review your welcome message. You can automatically greet new visitor who visit your website to enhance the chat engagement. If you go to install, so install chat widget on your website is, you can from here you can install chat widget, is essential for engaging customer with live chat. You can install it from here. You can make Tidio part of your workflow as well. You can connect your mailbox, connect with Instagram, you can connect with the Facebook, and you can install the desktop app as well. If you go into settings, or sorry, in the integration, from here, here you can control backend, and if you want to integrate, for example, if you want to install integration and stay up to date with any feature updated, you can simply install from here. For in my case, we are going to install the Shopify over here, and the BI analytics, communication channels, CRMs, e-commerce, and marketing automations. If you go into settings, this is where you can change, like you can basically, this is the website's setting where you can manage all the emails, chat pages, translation, lot of things over here. Now let's set up your chatbot. So what you have to do is go to your AI agent, click on it, click on the setup AI agent, and then it will scan priority pages or scan single pages. So provide a website URL to import knowledge. So this is the website URL you have to provide. Now I don't have any website to provide this. So what you can do, just simply add that, and you can customize it. After that, you can change the text to anything. You can add buttons like show me menswear, or I need customer support. You can do that, lot of things with that. Just simply add URL and import knowledge. It will extract all the knowledge which is into your website, and then it will create his AI chatbot using that information. Now let's create how you can connect Studio to Shopify. So what you can do is go to Shopify App Store, and what you can do from here, you can just simply go to integration, search for integration. For in my case, I will search for Shopify, then click on it and click on the connect to Shopify, and it will click on the connect and click on the install over here in the left side. Now it will take few seconds. As you can see, I have already an account. So I'll just simply, if you haven't, if you have not account in the Shopify, what you have to do is just simply go and connect, oh, sorry, go and create your own account on the Shopify. So let's see, you don't have access to the store, contact the store owner. So maybe there is an error. Let's see if they have sent a confirmation email over here. Let's refresh it. Okay, there is a problem with okay, store URL. What you can do, go to Shopify. If something showed up like this, click on it, click on the login and start with your account. Okay, there is an issue. Now I have to select the plan. What I will do, I will just simply go back in your, and what you can do, go to your my store, let's get start free trial. Now I will get freestyle, an online store. Click on the next. I'm not products. Just simply select random stuff. Now connect with, sign up with my Gmail account. Give me 4 more second, 4 more second to connect. Oh, sorry, to create my account. Skip. I will do later. And what you have to do is just simply copy the your store URL from your store and paste it over here. Now after that, log in with your Tidio account you can create. Once you connected, your Shopify data like customer info and order history will sync automatically. You can even trigger message based on your abandoned card or order confirmation. Now let's say how to install chat widget on your website. If you are not on Shopify, so here's how install the chat widgets. What you can do is go to Studio, go to settings. Let's go to settings and then go to live chat. In the chats, you will get to see there is installation. Okay, chat page. Uh, from here, if you go to installation, you will get to see some apps over here. And if you don't have Shopify, what you can do, you can click on the manual install. In the over here, you can just simply paste this code, snip, and you can copy to clip code and send an instruction via email as well. Go to website to check if Tidio chat is there or not. So I don't have a website, that's why I'm not able to do that. You can save and refresh whatever you did. The chat bubble showed now appear on your site. You can customize the color and position lots of things. If you go into pricing, you will get to see some uh, uh, plans over here. So in the free section, you will get to see 5 variable conversations. So you can compare with all with pricing. Now that's it for today's video. We have now learned how to use Tidio in 2025 from the dashboard and chatbot creation to Shopify integration. And whether you are running a small business, so it will help a lot you. If this tutorial helped you, to make sure like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you have any questions, then just simply comment it down. Now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.